All right, good morning, everybody. Very quiet. The only thing I have on right now is WEBL. WEBL. And I just added EOSC. EOSC. Let's get some targets. Yeah, I'm not liking EOSC. Tell you what, I'm going to get out of EOSC. I'm out of EOSC. I don't like it. I don't like it. It looked good a few minutes ago. Don't like it right now. I want him to get out. Take a little loss on EOSC. Hold on the WBL. All right, targets on WEBL. 1323. $13.13. That'd be a pretty good run on WBL. Let's see what else we have. Excuse me. All right, those are my two. 1313 is my closest target. So way up there. Volume's very light, but the spread's not bad. They have 4 cent spread right now. So the spread's been surprisingly pretty good this morning, considering the volume's so light. I'm out of EOSC. I'm going to watch that, see if we can get another setup here. We may get one more setup here before the opening bell. I'd like to see that. But right now, I am out of EOSE. Scanners are fairly quiet this morning. Very quiet. BRSAs. I think I looked at that earlier. Probably going to be pretty quiet today. Not expecting much. And I just don't see BRSH. BRSH is I don't like the looks of these charts. And I'm going to stay away from BRSH unless it starts moving. But we'll keep an eye on it. WEBL. Let's take a look at these indices. I came in short on the pull this up here. Came in short on the mini Russell. Actually got stopped out this morning. Reverse. I'm long now on the mini Russell. So if this trade doesn't work out, I'll be done with the indices. So anyway, I am in a long position now. I did reverse and went long. So far, very quiet, which is kind of what I expected with Labor Day weekend. Ooh, excuse me. Not a whole lot on my scanner. I mean, literally almost nothing this morning. Still don't see an opportunity on EOSC. Still in my WEBL. See if we can make it to the opening bell. Excuse me, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Alright, so about another 15 minutes before the opening bell. Long on the Mini Russell and WEBL. And it is very quiet. And this may be the only trades I take today. Took a loss on EOSC. Took a loss on the Mini Russell. Reverse went long, so I'm holding on long on the Mini Russell.
IDEX.
Small Dow's up 169, so that could help my Mini Russell.
WEBL.
New high on WBL.
IDEX.
Jason is asking, do you use stops? Watch my, I just did my recap. I released my recap from yesterday, and I addressed the stop situation. Go ahead and watch that video, Jason, and that will explain how I use stops. Alright, only thing that's really moving right now is WBL. Everything is just quiet. Very quiet. I'm looking at several of my scanners and I'm not seeing anything on here. Just, it is like super quiet. And that's probably an indication that this day is just going to be dead. Alright, going to try to make it here to the opening bell. Let's see if we can get some interest in here. Probably what's going to end up happening, if there's any kind of volume coming in, it's going to be right after the opening. Then I think everything's going to die off. So I'm hoping we can get a nice little additional pop up on WEBL. Maybe we'll see the Russell move higher as well. And we can get out of that. I'm going to look at a few other things here. BRSH.
CFMS.
BRSH. I just don't think it's going to move too much. It popped up on the scanner. I just don't think it's going to move too much, so I'm a little concerned. I don't want to get into BRSH. I'm going to let that go. My favorite, JDST. I don't think there's opportunities there. It looks like JDST may even want to go down lower. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch JDST. So let's see what else. I was watching GFI. Now GFI. GFI has the potential of having some nice setups, but not quite yet. I'd maybe look at GF. Let's see here. Maybe some buying opportunity around 13.18. But I just have to look at it. If it gets up to 13.18, I'm really have to take a look at that. But right now, I don't want to jump in the GFI. LGHL. Nothing there. MEDS. I don't see much of a run up on MEDS. Maybe 13.35 up here somewhere. But no, don't want to touch MEDS. And the spread's getting pretty big here, about a 13-14 cent spread on the bid ask. All right. All right, about another 7 minutes to go here before the opening bell. Very, very quiet, not expecting much. Check on our mini Russell. Small reversal on the yellow line. Still came in short this morning on that. Took a loss. Reverse went long. Still long. Very quiet. See if we can get some interest in right after the opening here. And then maybe I can get out of that. I think it's going to be one of those days. Just nothing going on. IDEX. I don't think there's anything on IDEX. pretty quiet volume. Yeah, nothing there. I don't like IDX. Let's see what else. I'm looking at some additional scans here. I'm trying to see if we have anything else. All right. TAOP, that's a new one. Let's look at TAOP. Mm-mm. I mean, volume's not bad. Over 2 mil already on TAOP. Got about a 10-cent spread on it. And I'm going to let that go. Already in WEBL. I'm going to try to manage that. Okay, so we're coming up to about 2 minutes out before the opening bell. I'm going to go ahead and move over to our Discord. Once again, folks, if you like these videos, please subscribe and also hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to go to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. There is a way of just contacting me. Contact me. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Also, check out, I got a lot of videos out on YouTube. Innovative Trading Strategies. Check out tons and tons of videos. Once again, everything you see here just, a technique that I've really refined over the last 36 years. Pretty simple. I have my own unique patterns that I look for. I have a total of 4 of them that I trade. When I'm in and trading the stocks and these indices. And then I use some called Einstein. I did not give it that name. That was given by a gentleman who designed it back in the 80s. He was a successful day trader. And back then he was focused on treasury bonds. I think he did a little bit of crude oil. And the S&P 500. That's when the S&P 500 was $500 a point. So, and he did very well. So what Einstein does is it gives us high probability price targets, which you can kind of see on these yellow lines here. If you look at WBL, you can't see them here because they're too far up, but the horizontal lines are levels that Einstein is predicting as price targets. And okay, we're about 30 seconds out. I'm going to wrap it up. Everybody have a good weekend. Be safe. This Labor Day weekend, enjoy, take some time off, spend time with family, relax, and we'll be back on Tuesday. Take care.